are an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. Garlic can help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and boost the immune system. Parsley is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. Olive oil is a great source of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Diced tomatoes are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Linguine is a type of pasta that is made from durum wheat semolina flour. It is a good source of carbohydrates, which provide energy for the body